Hello everyone and welcome to English with Shihab. Today we will explore another interesting topic together. Let's get started. In this presentation on conditional sentences, understanding these conditional structure is crucial for improving English fluency, accuracy and confidence in expressing hypothetical situations. By the end of this session, you will be able to correctly identify, construct and use all four types of conditional sentences. Conditional sentences express a relationship between a condition and a result. They consist of two clauses. The if clause, which states the conditions or the condition, and then the main clause, which gives the result if the condition is met. For example, if it rains, I will bring an umbrella. Here, if it rains is the condition and I will bring an umbrella is the result. The first one we have is zero condition. The zero conditional is used to describe general truths, specific or scientific facts, or things that always happen under certain conditions. The structure is if plus present simple plus present simple. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. The result is always true and does not depend on a specific time. Then we have first conditional. The first conditional is used for real and possible future situations. Its structure is if plus present simple plus will plus base verb. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. The condition is possible, and if met, the result is likely to happen. Then we have second conditional. The second conditional describes hypothetical or unlikely situations in the present or future. Its structure is if plus present simple plus would plus base verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel. This sentence or the sentence implies that winning the lottery is unlikely, but if it happened, the result would follow. Then we have the third conditional. The third conditional is used to talk about past situations that did not happen, often expressing regret or imagining a different outcomes. Its structure is if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied, I would have passed. It refers to a past event that cannot be changed. Then the last one is we have mixed conditionals. Mixed conditional combines different types of conditionals to express complex relationships between past, present, and future events. For example, if I had listened, I would be a doctor now. Here, the condition refers to the past, not listening, while the result affects the present, not being a doctor. Some mistakes to avoid while using conditionals. Using will in the if clause. It is incorrect except in polite requests. If you will help me, I would appreciate it. In correct tense usage, each type follows a specific rules. Then confusing structure of different types. Understanding the structure of each conditional is key. Omitting would in types 2 and 3. These conditional require would to express hypothetical situations. Now it is practice time. Let's reinforce what we have learned with some exercise. Fill in the blank, complete conditional sentences with the correct tenses or tense. Or sentence transformation. Rewrite the sentences or sentence using different types of conditionals. We have real life scenario example is here. If dash rain, we would, or sorry, we dash stay home. What will be the answer? If dash rain, we dash stay home. So the answer would be, if it rains, we will stay home. And this is the first conditional. Conditional sentences are useful in daily conversations, decision making, and writing. They help us express possibilities, consequences, and hypothetical scenarios effectively. By mastering conditionals, you enhance your overall English proficiency and communication skills. Today we learned about conditionals or conditional clauses. We explored zero, first, second, third, and mixed conditionals. We also practice it in a sentence based on real life scenario. I hope this lesson helps you understand how conditional sentences or conditional clauses play a pivotal role in language or making sentences. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.